Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear saved password in Microsoft Edge. So for you to do that, you have to head over and click on this three dot icon. You go to settings. Under settings, then you click on privacy search and services. Once you click on it, you scroll down and click on clear browsing data now. Then click on choose what to clear. Then from here you're going to check all this particular browse because I don't want to unclear my browsing history, my download history, then my cookies, then this. I'm going to check them, then I'm going to come straight up and click on this particular one, which is what I want to clear. You can see password. I have about 15 password saved in my Microsoft Edge. I even have more 13 more. So once I check the password box, I'm gonna clear. So that is how to clear your password in Microsoft Edge. If you find it helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.